Question 22, we're on pronoun antecedent agreement. When a given industry, water and electricity are two well-known examples, carries high infrastructural startup costs and other barriers that discourage competition, blank often consists of just one or two suppliers per municipality. First thing you ought to do is you have to understand how the sentence is structured so that our subject here is going to be one of the pronouns from the four choices that says often consists or consists depending on what the subject is going to be. When you're dealing with pronoun antecedent agreement, as technical as it may sound, you want to approach these questions as logically as possible, meaning that if you can just comprehend the sentence well and break down small pieces and understand what often consists, that's the main job you have to do. So going back to this, when a given industry, let's skip this now, given industry carries high infrastructural startup costs and other barriers that discourage competition, we are talking about something consists just one or two suppliers per municipality. Such industries are, I found, two evidence. Such industries, meaning this is referring to this sentence, and this subject comes from what is named antecedent. Antecedent is what comes before the pronoun. So I know that this pronoun is mentioned from a given industry. By reading this sentence correctly, you'll know that it is a given industry that carries high infrastructural startup costs. So get in the habit of comprehending, understanding. It helps to know that what kind of convention this question is, but more so, most importantly, you want to read the sentence, approach it logically as possible so we know that it refers to our given industry, and such industries are known as natural monopolies. Now you know that it all makes sense by having these, specific industries that carry high infrastructural startup costs and other barriers. They're called monopolies. So our question 22, correct pronoun is it, and the antecedent is a given industry.